So what do you do on a Saturday in September when you've just aerated your grass and you put down some new seed? Well, it is September, so we've got to paint. That's what we do. We've got to start to get our Halloween decorations out. Got to clean the garage a little bit. It's gotten dirty since we painted it last. I got my elves over here to start putting lights into. I've got 6,000 lights sitting in the corner waiting to get pulled out. So there's lots of work to be done and not enough time to do it. It's now time to go and check underneath the house. Let's see how things have fared since we put them in storage last fall. See, my grass needs to grow. Got some good aeration on Thursday. So here's where we keep all of our Christmas stuff. All in boxes and all over the place. So Em's gonna hand it out to me and we'll work it over to the garage. And then we'll start the organization for Halloween/Christmas. Do a 30-second or so time lapse of what took us probably 30 minutes to unpack and move from the crawl space up to the garage area. We've got a lot of props. There's actually a lot more stuff underneath there that we don't even use because we've got a lot of static displays that we've had from the years past and bigger props that we're looking to convert into some of the pixels as we move forward. But myself, my wife, and our trusty dog Buddy are unpacking and moving up to the garage. Just so we get an idea of what's in these boxes we just got out. Here we've got tons of cords to bring power to the lights. That's a mega tree. Most of the mega tree. Down below it is all power. Here, of course, we've got some skeletons. We did not put any skeletons or any Halloween up last year because it was our first year of using the pixels, so we focused all of our energy on that. But this year, we're gonna get some Halloween up too. So what's we got in here? More for the mega tree. These are all of my power boxes. All of my boards are in these boxes. More, oh my goodness. Those are all network cables. And then we've got more network cables down below. So you can see here, we've already got, these are temporarily permanently put up around all the edges. Definitely up top, we're never gonna move those again. So this year we're going to go for a 2-inch spaced matrix on all of the top windows. I believe those will be 3x4 or 4x5, I forgot which, 3x5. That's gonna be 4x6, one matrix. Of course, we're gonna hang a bunch of snowflakes from the tree, put some arches in the yard, and we'll see what else we can get. We just ordered a Merry Christmas that lights up from Gilbert Engineering. So, picked up the garage a little bit so I can start putting things in here nicely. You'll see what I'm working with this year. That is 6,000 pixels to add to the 6,000 or 7,000 I've already got. We've got pixels up there. We've got pixels and trees and things up there. So we've got everything we need for a little bit of fun. And then along the way, I'm gonna have to put this dirt down on my grass so it grows nicely. So for the month of October, nothing goes on the grass because we gotta fix the grass, make it grow pretty. But then November 1st, everything goes out. Everything gets turned on for Christmas. Hopefully the Halloween stuff will be going up in the next week or two, so we're good to go for the 1st of October.